This was the kiosk just over there, and that was where you brought your tickets. That's pretty sad to see, actually. And here's the old girl. That's what she looks like. Absolutely silent. Pretty eerie, isn't it? And the acoustics are still good, believe it or not. There's no echo in here whatsoever. Graffiti boys have been in. As they say, if walls could talk, huh? Okay, this is behind the box office, so where we would have bought our tickets. This is what it would have looked like from the inside. Phoenicians are still on there. But she's gutted. This is just above the offices, where the tickets were sold. So I'm assuming this was pretty VIP, because there's these glass doors here that look straight out onto the stage. Microwave still here. All these phones are still in here. Might have to souvenir one of them. More offices that overlooked Wellington Street. Geez, the amount of times I've been up these stairs, guys. Woof. This is looking over to the bar, so the bar's at the bottom and that circle lounge is at the top. You can feel her hurting, can't you? Like she's in pain. Yep, and that's what some tool did. Look at those stairs. That's what, to all the signs. Well, not all of them, but most of them just smashed it for absolutely nothing. There you go, look. Absolutely nothing. No need to smash them. Pricks. That was another one of the kiosks on the right. As you can see, those signs got taken down pretty quick up there. Obviously I wasn't quick enough. My fault, no one else's. And now apparently these signs here had the Perth Entertainment Centre on them. I was stuck against there, but they are all gone. Every one of them. Used to come out here quite often in the intermission and have a smoke. I remember that clearly. You can see on the back here that the letters are actually embossed in fiberglass. See them? Sadly didn't look like this, did it?